how to recover a Monopoly Go guest account. What you want to do is load up the app and sign in with your Facebook. So you will need a temporary account in order to do this. It doesn't matter what level the account is, just sign into an account with Facebook. Then after you're signed in, click on the three lines in the top right, and then you will go into settings. From within the settings, you want to select customer service. Okay, so here what we're gonna do is click on the chat icon in the top right, and it's gonna connect us with a virtual assistant. So what you want to say is connect me to support, full stop. I need to recover my guest account, and you will need to supply some information. So type information column, and here you can choose live chat with an agent now, and after you get connected, you have to give them your user ID, your in-game username, and email linked to an account. Also, the secondary thing that you need to give them is the exact DICE in account, exact money in account, your most recent purchase screenshot with order percentage if you have made any, and the device you logged in on. You must provide a model number to Monopoly Go. So just supply this information or provide this information, and they will hopefully help you recover your guest account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.